Hello everyone. In this video we will see how we can use Google Trends for YouTube. Let's get started. First go to the Google Trends website. The link is in the description. Now click on the Explore option in the top panel as shown. Here you can explore any topic that you want and see how it performs. Type in whatever you want, select the search term, filter search to YouTube search. You can select the region according to your preference. You can even choose it to be worldwide. You can see the graph of interest over time and can filter the duration according to your need. You can even filter categories if you like. Now you can see the regions where your search has more interest ranked. You can even see related regions and related queries. Click on Compare and you can add more search item to compare it with your topic. You can see the visual representation of the topics in respect to each other via the graphs. You can even see the regional rankings. You can even add more search items and see how it maps out. You can use this data to work out the trending topics on YouTube in your niche. And that's it. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.